Here we're going to look at some examples of finding a probability given the odds. So we have a formula that we like to look at. So for example, if you're given the odds in favor of an event, and they're listed as n to m, then your probability would be found by doing n divided by n plus m. Okay? So all you have to do when you're looking in reading these problems is you just simply have to look for the n to m phrase, and then you input it into your formula and you're good to go. So, for example, the odds in favor of a particular horse winning race are 2 to 5. So here, right here, is my important information. So what this tells us is that my n is 2, my m is 5. I want to find the probability. So the probability of winning is going to be 2 over 2 plus 5. Well, this is the same as 2 over 7, which we would then find to be 0.285714. And because we're dealing with probability, we in general are going to again round out to your millionth place. Let's look at another couple of two more examples here. If you are given the odds of 3 to 7, okay, so 3 to 7 in favor of winning a bet, what is the probability of losing the bet? So in this case, what we want is we want to find the probability of losing, which is going to be the complement to the probability of winning. So the first thing we have to do here is find the probability of winning. So we have that your n is going to be 3 and your m is going to be 7. So the probability of winning is going to be 3 over 3 plus 7, which is the same as 3 over 10, which is going to be 0.3. So the probability of losing is going to be 1 minus the probability of winning, which is 1 minus 0.3, which is the same as 0.7. Alright, now last I have the odds in favor of a person who is alive at age 20, still being alive at age, this should be 70, 193 to 270. So there's our odds. Find the probability that a person who is alive at age 20 will still be alive at age 70. So first, my n is going to be 193. My m is going to be 270. The probability of being alive, so alive at 20 and still alive at 70 is going to be 193 over 193 plus 270, which is the same as 193 over 463, which is going to be 0.416847. So there you have it, 3 very different examples, all of which calculate the probability given the odds in favor of an event. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.